If you are unsure about which strategy or indicator to choose among so many, let me tell you, all you need to do is to learn this strategy to achieve consistent profitability. Therefore, add the Super Trend X4 indicator to your chart on the TradingView website. But before using it, we need to make some changes in its settings. Alright, now it's time to learn how this indicator works, but before that, let me introduce you to a new platform that I just discovered, which shines like a diamond in the world of crypto. Embark on an exciting journey with CryptoFights, where predicting Bitcoin price is as easy as a click. This game, built on Polygon blockchain, is open to everyone. The big question is, will Bitcoin price goes up or down? The decision is in your hand. Here you can test your instincts, knowledge, and ability to make quick decisions. CryptoFights, deeply integrated with the Polygon-matic blockchain, provides a robust and reliable platform for its users. The best part about CryptoFights is easy to join. No need to deposit any money. Just connect your Web3 wallet and you're ready to play. As you play more, you can climb the leaderboard and compete against others. You also earn tickets for the jackpot lottery, increasing your chances of winning. The CryptoFights is more than just a game. It's a platform that allows you to earn daily passive income by sharing links with your friends through its multi-level affiliate program, offering different levels of earnings. Join this vibrant community of people who share a passion for blockchain technology, gaming, and making a difference. Ready to experience the thrill of CryptoFights? Click the link in the description below this video to start your adventure. Let's now get back to the strategy. When both lines of the super trend indicator appears red and the price is below them, it signals a downward trend. On the other hand, if the price is above two green super trend lines, this suggests an upward trend. Now let's incorporate the sell-buy rates indicator into our strategy. Then adjust the indicator settings as demonstrated. With these configurations, working with this indicator becomes intuitive. Simply observe the color of the indicator's area to gather valuable insights. A green color denotes a bullish momentum in the market, while red indicates a bearish market momentum. And if you're looking to put this strategy into action for your trades, there are some crucial rules to bear in mind. When considering a long trade, the first step is to confirm that the super trend X4 indicator has given a long signal. Next, you need to verify that the market trend is indeed moving upward. For the final step, the sell-buy rates indicator should display a green color to affirm the long signal. Once these conditions are all met, you can proceed to enter a long position. And to effectively manage risk, you can set a stop loss either at the green point of the super trend X4 indicator or below the recent swing low. Exit strategy for this approach is to use the risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. And if you're looking to initiate a short trade using this strategy, here are some essential guidelines to follow. To start, you'll want to confirm that the super trend X4 indicator is giving a short signal, indicating a potential downward trend in the market. Additionally, it's important to verify that the market trend is indeed moving downward, as this will increase the likelihood of success for your short trade. Next, you'll want to pay attention to the sell-buy rates indicator. If it displays a red color, this affirms the short signal and suggests that now may be a good time to enter a short position. However, it's crucial to ensure that all of the conditions mentioned must be met before proceeding. To manage risk effectively, you can consider setting a stop loss at the red point of the super trend X4 indicator or above the recent swing high. This will help you to limit potential losses if the market moves against your position. Additionally, using a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 can be a fitting exit strategy, as it allows you to balance potential gains and losses in a prudent manner.